So this is my beautiful 4-metre bell tent that I bought from Bell Tent Boutique 5 years ago. Now, due to lockdown, I put it up in my garden last year so that I could do my sewing in it because I couldn't go to my mother's house, and very, very foolishly it was left up for 9 months in the garden with the grass growing around it. And so this is Operation Rescue Bell Tent. I hope that it works. So stage 1, we are going to soak the bottom part, which is the worst, in 1 tub of this to start with, and then we'll go on to the next stage. Fingers crossed, guys. Okay, so I'm running the water, not too hot, but warm enough to dissolve the vanish initially anyway. Let's see. There it goes. It's warm now. Don't want it too deep to start with. So I just want to get. Well, let's just say it can't make it any worse, can it? No baths tonight, people, or showers. Gonna have to either use the USB shower in the garden, like camp style, or have a wash, because I'm afraid my precious Belle is over the bath. Guys, look, pray for me. Pray for me. Come on, for you. Work in my favour. And let this be a successful task. Right, I'm going to need some more water. Right, so there's the top. All of this needs to be in. One can be really popular in this house, I'll tell you. When I get home, you can see what I'm doing to the bathroom. But hey ho, needs must. I'll get over it. Good girl. Right. Right. I'm going to stop for a bit. I'll wait. Oh, nearly lost my ring for the next stage. Okay, guys. so the continuing journey in the Bell Tent saga. It is now Saturday. I started on Wednesday. After many hours of scrub, soak, rinse, repeat, scrub, soak. We're now trying to get it dry. I haven't put it up in the garden because my garden is still scarred from where it was up before, and I don't want to get it muddy after all my hard work. So, do you want a close up? Has it worked? All the scrubbing? Well, it's a bit better than it was. Although it's still a bit mouldy. It's dead. It's just stained. Although actually, looking at it out here, it does look quite good. It looks better than it did in the garden. There were a couple of patches of black mould that I was struggling to get out, but actually, because that's where it was, where that hole is, it's almost gone. So, we'll see. Once it's dry, the next stage will be to put it up properly and re-proof it, and then I will see properly what it's like. Fingers crossed, guys.